Hi, this is Jeannie Hughes. This is my digital introduction for the EDT 703 class at UNA. So I wanted to start with my academic journey. I have a BA in psychology and French that I received from Emory University. I actually went to Oxford College of Emory University for 2 years before transferring onto the main campus in Atlanta. After I graduated, I got my master's, my MA in French from Middlebury College, where I spent 6 weeks in language immersion, not speaking any English, and then did a summer abroad in Paris, where I completed classes in Paris at Reed Hall and at University of Sorbonne. After I graduated from Middlebury, I returned back to the United States and did various jobs before I decided to return to teaching. I moved to Alabama and found out that in Alabama you could not teach unless you had a dual language certificate for foreign language. So I went to UNA and I took classes in Spanish and in education and received my teaching certificate. And after I did that, right now I'm currently pursuing my teacher leader at UNA. So during my teaching career, this is my 19th year of teaching. So right now I'm currently teaching French 1 through 4. Occasionally I teach AP. It depends upon the students if they want to do that at Florence High School. So I've taught in a variety of schools, taught in both public and private. I've lived in both Alabama and Tennessee. So I've taught in both states. And I have taught private all the way from pre-K up to about ninth grade in private, and then in public I've taught 8th through 12th grade. I've taught humanities, Spanish 1 through 3, and then currently, like I said, I'm teaching French 1 through 4. So for the past 8 years while I've been at Florence, I have taught French, but previously really taught mostly Spanish 1 and 2. This is my family. I'm from Flowery Branch, Georgia, which is a small town about an hour northeast of Atlanta. I moved to Killen from Tennessee, where my husband's family resides, in 2005. I'm married to my husband, Parks, who you see in the picture there. We've been married this August for 26 years, and that's our daughter, Isabella, who's 16 and who's just turned to a senior in high school, so we're looking for colleges for her. And then at the top are 2 dogs. That's Willow and Pumpkin. They're golden retriever sisters. So what are my interests? My interests are traveling. Since I'm a foreign language teacher, I love to travel to countries where I can experience the culture of the country, get to use my language skills. I love to take student trips. I take trips with my students about every 2 to 3 years, and we go to France with them, and been to Europe several times. I like to read. I've started playing tennis since last year. I started playing tennis. I enjoy decorating and enjoy anything really that is Disney. And that's my introduction. Thank you so much.